Many organizations think that deploying a chatbot is the finish line, but it's not. It's just the start. Chatbots quickly become clunky, frustrating, and disconnected from customer needs without continuous improvement. In fact, 75% of chatbots fail to meet expectations within 6 months of deployment. And that's why we wrote Effective Conversational AI. I co authored this guide with conversational AI experts and colleagues Andrew Freed and Kerry Jacobs to help you improve the heart of your chatbot's lifecycle. With over 30 years of combined experience and lessons from refining 50 million chatbot interactions, we share practical, data driven strategies for long term success. From setting up your teams to prioritizing updates, we help you to get started and stay on track. And here is how this book can help you deliver seamless experiences. You can learn how to identify user pain points and craft smoother interactions. You can drive business value. Imagine your retail chatbot during the holidays. Instead of generic answers, your chatbot should consider context it knows about its user, say match past purchases with holiday bundles, transforming simple queries into sales opportunities. And of course, you want to adapt to new technologies. You can read about how you can use generative AI to enhance your chatbot. You can learn how to handle niche queries with tools like Retrieval Augmented Generation or RAG. Continuous improvement is the secret to well-performing chatbots, and effective conversational AI is your roadmap. Whether you are a developer or a business leader, this book equips you to refine, scale, and keep your chatbot successful. Get started with your book today.